Now let's dive into the board class. This is where we will be managing the state of the game. Our board is a 3 rows and 3 columns grid, which will represent as 2D list. We will also need methods to print the board, make a move, and check for a winner. Okay, so in our Python project, I'm going to create a new Python file and name it board. Okay, and let's start coding our board class. Class board. The board class represents the Tic Tac Toe board. It manages the current state of the board and has methods for making moves and checking for a winner. Okay, I'm going to start with init method, and this method is going to initialize a new board with empty spaces. Def init with only one argument self. Initialize a new board with empty spaces. Self state in range 3 for range 3. Okay, now I'm going to create a new method which will print the board. Only one argument self. Prints the current state of the board. For row in self state print join row print okay, and it was our print board method.